Nestled in the heart of the United States is a natural wonder, Yellowstone National Park. The park is a natural wonder with stunning views and diverse plant and animal life. It wasn't always this way, though. Learn how 15 wolves changed Yellowstone Park in ways we never predicted. In the early 1930s, gray wolves were hunted to extinction in the park, and their absence profoundly impacted the ecosystem. Going forward to the 1990s, elks overgrazed vegetation. Yellowstone grounds faced a problem of eroding soils and unstable riverbeds, thus influencing food sources of different species from living in the park and unstabilizing the whole food chain. That all changed in 1995 when wolves were reintroduced to Yellowstone National Park after a 70-year absence. With the reintroduction of wolves, the elk population was no longer unchecked, and the wolves began to prey on them. This caused the elk population to decrease, and with fewer elk grazing in the park, the vegetation along the riverbanks began to recover. The increase in vegetation positively affected the rivers, as the roots of the plants stabilized the soil, preventing erosion and keeping the riverbanks intact. With the increase in vegetation, beavers were able to build dams and create ponds, which created new habitats for aquatic species such as fish and frogs. In addition, the increase in vegetation also provided habitat and food for various species, such as birds and small mammals. These animals, in turn, attracted predators like coyotes and eagles, which further shaped the ecosystem. Overall, the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone profoundly affected the ecosystem. By reducing the elk population, the wolves set off a chain of events that led to changes in the vegetation, the return of beavers and other species, improvements in water quality, and even changes to the physical landscape. This is a classic example of a trophic cascade, where changes at one food chain level have cascading effects throughout the entire ecosystem.